Okay, so we are back at the fuel station. So that's just a small update video for basically I went to Nikalokta, did like in 2 days arrived to the Keb fuel station, and in the morning, I mean at the night, I basically spotted some flashlight arriving, and that was those two guys here.
Hello.
And I came to see them in the morning. They didn't know about the security room.
No.
So basically I said, yeah, take your breakfast in a warm place. And they were also going to go on top of Kebnekaise via the hiking route. So I like, okay, let's go together.
Yeah.
Because that's better free head than one.
Yeah.
And we went a bit late, but fine. And then we basically got caught up in a storm. Just under the glacier, which is usually the other routes, but luckily we found a place wide enough and stable enough to basically put their tent, which was a 3-person tent. And as it was getting really cold and really windy, we just set up that tent and used some of my snow peg for basically stabilize it in the storm.
Yeah.
So
it worked really good.
It was pretty awesome too. So
it was pretty awesome. It was like what, like I think -10 during the night, something like that.
Yeah.
But 3-person in the tent, that was like super comfy. And then in the morning, the problem was that we were like post-hauling pretty deep, and there were quite some time where we were thinking we would be starting an avalanches. We all had snowshoes. I got shorter ones, so I was post deep hauling even more, but we could, but it was really risky, and on top it would have been even more snow. So we decided, okay, the next day we come down. That was like, I think, a better solution. By the way, present yourself to the whole YouTube. You're gonna get a YouTube channel soon, both of you, so you can already present yourself.
Yeah, I'm Kevin, and this is Andreas, and we are going to start a YouTube channel with about the same stuff as him. We're going out in the forest, in the mountains, and gonna film it and see what we do out there.
Yes, pretty much. Exactly.
So yeah, it's like a YouTube meetup creator up at the Kebnekaise fuel station. And yep, so actually got some. I was a bit worried also on one thing, because if there would be that much snow, normally I brought my snowshoes by security and not by necessity, just in case I get stuck. But all the way we wore snowshoes. Only a few times we removed them to put ourselves on the ass to slide the rope, slide the slope. But then I was like a bit worried that will I make it to Abisko. And today I met another hiker called Dominic, and he was coming from Abisko, and the trail is much better over there. So I cross my finger that everything is gonna go fine. But normally I have enough food. And by the way, you're an extremely good cook.
Yeah, thanks.
You did like some good mushrooms and mashed potato yesterday, but like it was a long time I didn't eat that well, that good, you know, like.
Yeah.
So yep, so that's for the update video, and we found electrical plug outside the fuel station. We got Wi-Fi, we got a warm heater. Isn't that paradise? Yeah, it's paradise. So let's go to Abisko. Bye bye. 2 things. The first thing is to the family of Kevin and Andreas. They should be in Nikalokta in 2 days. They will be fine. Temperatures is fine, and the storm went down, so it's okay. And they should be fine. So if in 2 days they are not in Nikalokta, just start to worry then. But otherwise, don't worry. They should be totally fine. And another thing is that I was looking a bit at the camera footage that I had, and with my camera I can basically do some kind of rough editing, but it's not really editing, it's just, you know, cut randomly. So I made a small video and put some music over it. It's at least you can see in which condition we were, and you can have some fun looking at us. When I go back to civilization, really I will edit that more properly, but in the meantime, enjoy this. Bye bye. awesome is that? Awesome! That was pretty dope, so it's right here. What? Day 16. Well, at the uni right now. Hello. So, and basically, we met up at the but not enough complicated. It's good that we all of us have snowshoes. Anyway, I think it was fun overall, but it was really fun, and we managed just before sunset to find a spot. And yeah, tomorrow, let's see what we do tomorrow. Either we can see, but let's not take too much risk on that. So maybe we're gonna stay there. Anyway, so yep, so I think 1,000 meter up or something like that.